Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the time in your Audi A3. First, ensure your car's ignition is on, but the engine is not running. Next, find the MMI control panel, usually located on your center console. Press the Menu button to bring up the main menu on your display screen. This is the essential first step to access the time settings. Once in the main menu, use the large MMI control knob to rotate and highlight the car option. Press the knob down to select it. From the car menu, you will then need to scroll down and select Settings. This will open up a new submenu where you can find various vehicle adjustments, including the clock. Within the Settings menu, locate and select Date and Time. Then, choose Time to begin your adjustments. Rotate the MMI control knob to change the hour to your desired setting and press the knob to confirm. You will then repeat this exact process to adjust the minutes, ensuring precise timekeeping in your vehicle. After setting both the hours and minutes, carefully confirm that the displayed time is now accurate. Once satisfied, select Set or OK on the screen to save your new time settings. Finally, you can press the back or radio button on your MMI control panel to exit the menu system and return to your normal display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.